Hello, this is my wireless mouse which broke down long back. So let's open it up and have a look on its internals. The components of wireless mouse are it have a microcontroller for main processing, then we have a light source at the back and a optical sensor which detects the change in light pattern to identify the position of mouse. This is the light source and that's the optical sensor. Then we have clicks, scroll wheel using a potentiometer, and power source. So for this one the power source was AA battery. It could be a rechargeable mouse. And we have a USB dongle which works as a receiver. The mechanism of this mouse was it settles on the top, and to replace the battery we take this portion off. These are two magnets here. I have unscrewed it, it's stuck there. It is held by these two screws. One is done. Okay, this is also almost out. Let me try a different tool head. It's unscrewed but stuck somewhere. I have attached tape and some glue when I was still using it. Okay, it was unscrewed, but it was stuck due to the tape which I have used the last time when this mouse was still functioning. The screw was already out, it was stuck by the tape. Let's have a look. Okay, this is our main mouse. This optical sensor. Okay. This is our source, the LED emitter, and this must be the microcontroller. The cell holder, battery holder is this one. Then we have this mouse scroll by the potentiometer. Then the left click and the right click. We can still hear it. These are few capacitor, 1, 2. This, it appears to me as an inductor, not sure about it. So it's a PCB inside. These must be tiny resistors if I'm not mistaken, and we have the circuit. So these are the internals of a wireless mouse. One of the component must be a transmitter. It could be, oh, this is the transmitter. BAT, no, this is the battery holder. Battery terminal positive, battery terminal negative. So that's how a mouse looks. Okay, bye.